How do you see the human engineers in your company evolve and adapt to the fast-paced world of AI today?
Human workforce will not be replaced by AI. It will be replaced by humans who know how to work with AI. So it is important that all of us realize that the threat is not AI. The threat is if we are not able to become conversant with AI. Because if you can become conversant with AI, then there is a good, bright future for you. We look at three different ways in which this whole human interaction with AI works. The first one is working on AI. Now, this is where you actually are helping create AI solutions. Because remember, I said that particularly for the enterprise, AI is not a drop-in solution. So you have to create solutions using AI, and for that you need context. Is everything to do with the industry domain, the regulation, the risk, the customer profiles, and frankly everything that the enterprise has in terms of its IP. Second is data. We spoke about it because data elements actually are quite broken and they need to be modernized. They need to make sure that data does not become a constraint for AI because AI depends a lot on data, both structured and unstructured. And the third one actually is execution, which is this whole thing of putting everything together. And the term I tend to use is orchestration, which is taking these different technologies and put this together. So you actually have humans who are actually working on all the three elements, bringing in the context, bringing in the data elements, and then working on the orchestration. So these are people, I call them working on AI. So they are creating AI solutions. Then if you do not have the background or the skill set of actually creating these solutions, you still have to work with AI because now your job is changing. Now your job is changing because even if you're actually processing accounts payable work, now you actually may be interacting with an AI solution, which is helping you do part of the work. So ability to understand what AI can do, cannot do, how AI actually is basically influencing your day-to-day work, and ability to work with AI is extremely important. And that does require some education, some understanding, and making sure you're staying current with technology. So that's the working with AI.